Today we're going to be talking about how you can change the size of the text in your Snapchat chats. Whether you want to make your messages bold and big or small and subtle, it's super easy to adjust the chat size. So let's jump right into it. First things first, open up your Snapchat app and head straight to your chat list by tapping on the chat icon at the bottom of the screen. From here, you can select any friend you want to message. Don't worry, this works for all your friends, and you can adjust the size of the text for each conversation. Once you've opened the chat, it's time to type your message. Type whatever you want in the chat box, just like you normally would. Now here's where the magic happens. After you've typed your message, look for two arrows near the text. These arrows will allow you to resize the text. If you want your message to stand out and be bigger, simply drag the arrow upward to enlarge the text. On the other hand, if you prefer a smaller, more compact message, you can drag the arrow downward to shrink it. It's all about what vibe you're going for. So, whether you want to make your message fun, bold, and big, or keep it low-key with smaller text, you've got full control. It's that simple. Once you've adjusted the text size to your liking, go ahead and hit send. Your friends will receive your message with a custom text size, giving your conversation a little extra flair. Don't forget to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips.